Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you a very nice kit that I purchased from Amazon. Most likely it is for the kids, but I am pretty sure that the adults will enjoy diamond painting it as well. So this kit is very special. It does not contain only one kind of diamond paintings. It contains several of them. Precisely the keychains, the charms, jewelry charms, and stickers, holographic stickers. So we are going to open and see how everything looks inside. This kit also comes with different sized gems, 5mm ones and 2mm ones. That's how the contents looks inside. So the kit comes with the instruction guide. Here it is. With the set of tools, 2 styluses, a tray, and 4 waxes. It also comes with the keychains and the chain for the charms. Here they are, 4 keychains and 4 chains for the bracelets and the attachments for the charms. My mistake, apparently 2 chains for the bracelets and 1 kind of like necklace, a chain for the neck. It also comes with this beautiful container, so the kids have all the drills organized. It's like 8 containers by 4 in a 1 large container. This is really very neat. It would help whoever diamond paints be pretty accurate, organized, and there is no need to worry about the storage. It already comes with this kit. 4 containers are attached to each other. They are not separate, but that's how it looks. Although it's kind of hard to open them. If you are buying it for the kids, maybe they will need help opening them. Now, it also comes with 12 beautiful 5mm diamonds. All of them are crystals. 2 shapes of pink, red, light blue, yellow, orange, lilac. This is kind of like dark yellow bluish. Blue, silver, pale yellow, green, and also 4 colors of 2mm drills. Also crystals, beautiful, very vibrant, bright colors. A part of it, of course, the diamond painting kits themselves, the keychains of really very high quality, and holographic stickers. Just to be precise, 6 charms. They are all acrylic. Here they are. It doesn't tell you where to diamond paint, but I guess by color, just maybe one big, meaning like 5mm yellow gem goes on the star, and a few small ones over here on the red and green color. You can also use this guide as the instructions on where to diamond paint, on where to glue the stickers and what color, but I think it's pretty obvious. It's just color related. So this is acrylic. Although it is diamond painted from one side only, the quality is really very good. And as you can see, the majority of the keychains are diamond painted with 5mm drills. Wonderful quality. I wish they were diamond painted from both sides though. Here they are. And the stickers. There are 18 of them. They're also of a pretty good quality. Here they are. And there are different varieties. There is a mermaid, Ariel, there is fish, fruits, rainbow, fairies, I don't know, some dolphins, SeaWorld, unicorns, etc. And again, in case if you were wondering on where to implement the stickers, here is a really very nice hint. You can use it, for example, on the on the glass case, etc. So I really recommend you these beautiful kits as soon as my daughter works on them and diamond paints a few. I will upload a video to show you how they look. But for now, I love everything about them, starting with the packaging and with the quality, and ending with the variety of diamond paintings that comes in this kit. I will leave a link in the description box below. Again, it was purchased from Amazon for around $13. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.